into that song. Sorry, I had a moment. But okay, so I just came on to show you guys how I do my brows, because I have like a kind of updated brow routine. I'm not gonna say updated because I've never posted a brow routine on my channel, but I have been like playing around a little bit. You know, I have like those, I have different types of brows for different types, like for different occasions or different days. I don't know. But this is the most this is a more natural brow that I normally always gravitate towards, more like a feathered brow. I'm not really a huge fan of the bushy brows on me. That does not look good on me, okay? It might look good on you and on a lot of people, but not on me. It looks terrible. And I never get to that stage because I hate growing out my brows. Like, that's the most annoying thing on earth. I hate growing out my brows. Like, it drives me nuts. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. I did this brow off camera. Hopefully this one comes out similar. I've tried different products, but I always end up going back to my Anastasia brow. So I'm just gonna stick to that. And I am using my MAC 266 brush, and it's an angled flat brush. Looks like this. And that's the only brush that I use for my brows. I've tried others, but I don't like it. Basically what I started doing, I just brush my brow hairs up. Now my brows are freshly plucked and trimmed. I did them like 2 days ago, something like that. So I just go into my brow pomade with my pencil brush, with my angle brush, and I start with the front, and I just start to lightly put the product in the front. I have like this gap here that is basically what makes my brows, so I always fill that in first, but super lightly, because I like my brows to be more feathered, like a gradient. You know, it starts light and it comes out dark at the tail. So I just do light strokes. So I just do the line first, and then the angle just like this. I just place the brush and I start going like this, but I'm really not putting any pressure onto the brush because you don't want to make any super harsh lines, especially not in the front of your brows. That's basically the front quickly before you clean it up or anything like that. So now I'm just gonna make I need to make an arch right here, get thicker right there, and then finish up the tail. So I just go back in. If you need some more product, just go ahead and pick up more product. And I'm going to start putting my brush in an angle, and I'm literally making hair-like strokes in the same direction that my natural brow hairs go. So I just pick up product as I go, and then I focus on this arch right here, which I'm missing that arch that I have right here. I'm missing that on that side. So I'm just concentrating on making that arch. So you just create that little arch right there. Do you guys see how it's taking form? Like, it's slowly but surely, like it's shaping. I'm going to take a little bit of the Inglot Duraline, and I'm going to put like a drop on the back of my hand, just because I want to intensify the brow gel a little bit, and it's not new, so you know it dries up a little bit. And dip my brush into that, and then I'm going to dip my brush back into the brow pomade. But it looks more like they're related now, you know? Okay, so whenever you're satisfied with how it looks compared to the other one, or how it looks just like in general, you can start cleaning it up. Okay, so I just took my concealer. You can take whatever concealer you like, whatever you prefer. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Create My Medium Beige, and I'm taking that on a flat brush like this. And this is the Delium Tools 546 brush, and I'm just going to use that to clean out my brows, anything that I have to clean out. So in the center of my brows, and I just place the brush and I drag it down like so. and I just continue doing that throughout the brow, and I just go kind of back and forth and just start doing like this. I use a concealer that, okay, so basically I would recommend to use the concealer you use to conceal, not the concealer you use to highlight under your eyes. Does that make sense? But yeah, but you can already see how clean and neat this is. So I just finished up my brows, and I did put concealer. I put concealer on my eyelids just to prime them before eyeshadow. But the last step that I do on my eyebrows that I already did is I put mascara on my brows. I use this instead of brow gel. If you have dark brows like me, I recommend to use a little bit of black mascara. I do have a specific mascara that I use for that, like only for my brows, and it is the NYX Doll Eye Mascara. Obviously the black one. I don't even know if they have different colors, but this one. Just because the wand is so like little, and it just works perfectly for the brows. So I just put that on my brows, brush them up so they stay in place for the rest of the day. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Hope you guys learned something or just had fun watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos from me, and also turn on your bell notifications so you will be the first one to be notified when I upload a video, because you know YouTube be playing games. So I will leave some other videos for you guys right here so you guys can watch, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.